Hi guys, we're back here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm doing a walkthrough video on this 2025 Yamaha 252SE we just got in stock. This one we have in the yacht blue, patriotic colors, red, white, and blue. A lot of boaters love that. This one, we have the sports tower on it, folds down. The bimini top on is exoskeleton. That actually clamshells manually. Easy to get under bridges, up and tighter underneath your canopy lift. Moving around to the back, as we move back here, you'll notice it's on the galvanized dual axle trailer packaged with it. Some cool features on the transom here. We have a huge swim platform, great spot to hang out at the sandbar. A couple other features. These flip either way, so you can either make it into a table or a saddle style seat. Also comes with the table that's removable back here. Hopping on into the boat. We'll pass by our stereo controls here on the transom, a wash down shower, your clean outs for the engine if you're in salt water. This one comes with the wet sound system. Throughout, you got some nice transom speakers back here. More inside, you also have a charger on the inside as well. These seat backs come with storage. Both sides flip up, tons of space in there. And these also slide either way, so if you guys are out at the sandbar, you got more space to lounge. Or if you're cruising, entertaining on the inside, you got more space in the cockpit here. Coming on in, you'll notice how spacious it is. Storage underneath all of your seats. You're walking across the engine hatch, that flips up. Easy access to your engine. Over on the side over here, we have a spacious glove box. This flips out into an extended table, which is nice to put snacks on. Moving over to your passenger side console, some storage spots as well. You got another glove box, miscellaneous storage, cup holders, stuff to put miscellaneous items on the dash. This one comes with a massive storage compartment, or it doubles as a head if you want to put a porta potty style head in there. More chargers over here, more cup holders. Moving over to the helm, you'll notice we have a nice big comfortable helm chair, comes on the bolster. Swivel, slide, and recline. You got nice armrests. Massive touchscreen display for your mapping, your gauge clusters, all of your electronics. It does come with a wireless phone charger. Slides open easy to put your phone in there one-handed. You do have a rotary encoder as well to control your screen, so it's a little easier to grab when you're on the move. You're not bouncing with the waves trying to hit the buttons on the screen. You also have some of your standard switching over here. You got your horn, your bilge, blower, your lights, stuff like that. This does have dual electronic throttles as well, and push button start for each motor. Moving on through the center walkthrough. This one has a massive storage compartment, great spot for your skis, all your water sports gear, boards, tubes, whatever. And then even on the helm side console, you have extra storage here as well. This also doubles as a wind dam. So that goes like that. This goes over, keeps you protected from the elements. If it's a little chilly out, you can block the wind. Moving on up to the bow, you'll notice how spacious it is. You have cushioning throughout, you have cup holders, more speakers. Both of these flip up on hinges into storage. You'll notice inside here we have the filler seats for the center portion, so you can make this into a full sun pad if you'd like. And then you'll also notice you have a nice stair step in and out here. We open this up, you'll see it's got the bow ladder, so easy in and out from the bow. You also have your anchor slot as well. If you guys like this boat or any others, we'd love to see you here at the store. Visit our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.